Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is stuck on home or would like to send you critical alerts and you are unable to use your iPhone. So guys, if you are stuck on this appearance and you are unable to use your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the solution is very simple for this problem. That is, you have to force restart your iPhone for one time to avoid this problem. So guys, if you want to force restart your device, you have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to contact the Apple support team for further information or help, or you have to simply connect your iPhone with your PC or your Mac, and after this you will be able to reset all the settings of your iPhone connecting with your Mac or your PC. So guys, simply do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.